Hello and welcome back to Should Be Committed. Today my self-care is going to be to give myself some rainbow fingernails for Pride Fest. But I've never done nail polish like this before, so it is going to be interesting. Today for my drink, I'm going to be trying out something that is legendary in Japan, is what the box says. -196? Fruit that was frozen and crushed at -196 degrees Celsius. Gonna start with the lemon. Why not? Let's go simple. That tastes like vodka with very fresh fruit. Let me get my handy dandy brewmate out. One of my like 6 trios. That's a little ice block so that it fits a regular size can and keeps it cold. I'm gonna start the nail process by putting tips on. I keep them super short because otherwise I struggle texting, typing, and putting contacts in and out. So in the middle of doing the acrylic, but I need to change flavors. So I'm going with peach. That is very peachy, but it's very like natural peachy, so it's like earthy. I have fingernails again. They're short and stubby, and they already have a base coat on them. I'm going to attempt, even though they're short, to do a rainbow on them, and it's like an ombre rainbow. I do not know if I can do this, but I'm going to try. I have neon colors. Beetles, perfectly 6 gel polish, whatever, the who's the what's. I'm going to start at the bottom with the pink and work my way up, and I'm going to attempt to get like a little streak of each of the colors and then use a teeny tiny little brush with a little rubbing alcohol to like smooth them out. We will see if this works. I'm gonna start with white, because it'll show up better if I start with white. Oh my God, fucking this up left and right. It's fine, everything's fine, everything will be okay. Into the machine. Now, time to try the pink. Oh God. To use some isopropyl alcohol. The internet said I could make it look like ombre. What? That is not bad. It's kind of like my shirt. And before I screw it up, it's going straight into the box. I just need to do that again 9 more times. I love that you can't see my face. It's just the mystical hands of Jodee. Okay, we're going for Lisa Frank. Men's servant Nathan over here is bringing me my new flavor. Thanks, babe. You gotta show him the flavor. Oh, good help is hard to find, guys. It's strawberry. Thank you, kind servant. Oh my God. Yeah. I really like that it's like natural fruit flavors. Flutes? Natural fruit flavors. Blame it on the alcohol. Instead of an ombre, this is like a tie-dye, which, you know what? Who doesn't love some Lisa Frank? I got like, I don't know if it's these bright fingernails or what, but I got some club music, like old club music in my head. One hand rainbowification done, but not done. Rainbowified. Next hand. This might be better than the other hand. Here's where I'm gonna screw it up. I'm gonna try to do this one before I put them in the thing. Famous last words. Okay, now before I mess up. Mother truckin' tie-dye nails! They're so vibrant right now. I really like that they can only see my hands. I remember that thing from like, what was it, Sesame Street, where it was the dogs, the Weimaraners, and then you could only have like the people's hands. This is what it's reminding me of. Like I could like superimpose a dog head up here and no one would be the wiser. So it's not turning out how I like imagined it, but it's turning out. Just my thumb to go with the rainbow, and then I have some surprises. What? Last thumb. Do 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 do. Here's where we get crazy. Middle one's gonna get a heart. I kind of like the idea of having a heart when I flip somebody off. I want these little polka dot ones. This right there. I have a very loving middle finger. Mana mana boop boop ba doo doo ba doo 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 boop boop ba doo boop. I'm whipping out some oldies. I haven't used these in a minute, but I used to be obsessed with these before I started doing the acrylics. I'm gonna Lisa Frank the shit out of this nail because these are clear with cheetah print. They have like regular nail polish ones, but I really like the overlays. Nathan's bringing me new flavor. Grapefruit. Oh no. I'm doing the base coat. Off camera. Oh, sweet mother may I. That is really good. I understand why it's legendary in Japan. Time to see if I can make these a sparkle and shine. Let us see. Ooh, it's a lady. You put like a little bit onto like, it's like pigment, and you put a little on your thing, and then you rub it on. It looks magical instead. Bye-bye, my top coat. Yatta! Draw me like one of your French girls. These are where it's at. Look at these. They matter with this Xbox controller, even though I'm not holding it correctly. Thank you for committing with me. Comment and let me know what you liked, what you didn't like. If you liked any of the products, I can give you the links and give me some other ideas for things to do. You know, most of the time I'll do them. Don't get weird. Subscribe, share, and like my page and like yourself because that's what we're here for. Support, love is love, baby.